here's the thing, right? If you're standing there on June 15th, well before dark, you're putting everything together with others, right? Whether neighbors, doing all the right things together as a community to help. You know that there are the beginnings of whispers of a red truck that don't make fucking sense. Long before any others are ever coordinated enough for the red truck and the person, for that to ever float back through LE and back into the community and the neighbors. That shit doesn't make sense to anybody. Everybody's like, what the fuck? Right? The whispers say it's there the day before. And the day of. Still doesn't really make any sense. Right? Not the way the whispers go. Once everybody talks amongst themselves, at least still pretty occupied to the far right. Everybody's just kind of waiting, hanging out. Talking. But you know, there's not really a fucking window the day prior. There's a small one. Doesn't make sense. All kinds of things don't make sense from June 15th forward. I need to get it readjust, huh, buddy? And the thing is, you can go into extraordinary detail on why it doesn't make sense, and what timelines you mean, and how you mean that. And you can give all the details. This place would just eat them, and do bad with them, and spin them, and push narratives out with them, right? you can tell him that Dobbs, when he was there, told you your fucking face he had only come along and never been there before, and he changes his story. And he goes back and he says, yeah, I walked it one time, and he mentions a name one time exactly. And then that name shows up only one time, and you only notice as you're going back through certain materials that you gathered while you were taking care of all the property bullshit for a bunch of dipshits who are too lazy to do it for themselves, but then later try to pretend like, it's something else. Yeah, it's usually like everybody else. Point is, that name was mentioned one time and you happened to capture the screenshot of that exact name, and you put it together and you're like, why in the fuck does this name happen here? Why is there a thing, This is a name Dobb mentioned being with him, but then changed his tune and said, no, he was there alone. See? Changed his story. Then he says, what on DB Cooper's, right?